Hello everyone, this is Austin, and these are some updates with the system. I just made a video the other day that was uploaded regarding this panel right down here. So I'll go ahead and show you. As you can see, I have it labeled monitor modules. I just got done putting it together, and pretty much it's 3 monitor modules in here. I currently have one being used for the drill switch, which is right up there. The other 2 are just waiting for something to be installed. So, got that wired up, stuck on a little terminal strip up there. Everything's pretty clean. Goes right to the panel. I'm going to have all future wiring to this just run directly to this panel. It kind of keeps that one clear. So I'll go ahead, I'll leave this open so you can see. That's what it looks like in the dark. Everything else is pulling normally. I'll go ahead and do the test, or the drill switch for you. It's set to auto resettable. So I'll show you what it looks like when I go ahead and activate that.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit.
Okay. And no need to reset the system because I'll try to get everything in view here. When I go ahead and put it back to normal, it all returns to normal. So that's pretty much it as far as that goes. I guess we could consider that system test 9. But yeah, so everything's working. Of course, the alarm LED, I just have that set to March time on one of the NACs. Something I didn't realize with these modules is normally your IDCs have 4.7K resistors. With these, it takes 47K resistors. I did not know that at first. I kept having actually a CO detector, which is just a smaller module that's still back in here. As soon as I programmed the address in, it went right into alarm. And it's because the resistance was too low and it was putting it into alarm. So I got a pack of the 47K resistors. Amazon arrived today. I ordered it yesterday. So we're all good as far as that goes. I'd say it looks pretty good. And yeah, everything's happy with the system. So when everything's closed up, it looks real nice as well. Which is kind of the goal, you know, I don't want it to be a complete mess. But yes, I'm happy, and it's going to sit this way for a little bit. There's going to be some updates down the line, but I'm just tired from working on this whole setup, so that's how it's going to remain for a little bit. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll be back.